Come on, Chuck, fix him. Okay, I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, all I need to do is download his data. Okay, we just have to wait for 2 minutes. Oh boy. 2 minutes later. What on earth happened? Oh, you actually knocked down, huh, on system? What day is it? Oh, it's Christmas Eve. Yeah, we don't have much time. We gotta get out in this timeline. Yeah. Alright, guys. We should start packing up. Okay, we need to go. But wait, but where are we gonna go? I don't know. Somewhere safe. I'm getting chillies. Alright, everyone, come on, let's go. I hope. Wait, where's Crystal? He got captured. We can't just leave him. I'm sorry, but there's nothing we could do. No, you guys are crazy. You know what? I am a real friend to him. Okay, you guys are just you guys are just solo werewolves. Okay, what is that supposed to mean? You guys work alone. We can't waste much more time. We gotta go. Okay. Why am I here? So we could kill the furious birds one last time. But why won't you hire someone else? Because you're the right hitman. Ugh. You know, man, I am paying you just to do this. Do you really want to be sentenced to jail for 3 years? Whatever. Let's just get this over with. That's what I thought. Alright, where's Chuck? He's coming. Alright, guys, I'm here. I'm also here too. I'm sorry, Chris. There's nothing we can do. Okay, guys. Wait, I think I forgot something. I'll come back. Okay, you better be hurry. Now, where did I put that notepad? Hello? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, yeah. And guess what? I brought a hitman. Yo. Wait, no. Oh, my God. Wait, then you took away Crystal, and now what you want, okay? I'm here. I'm here to take away Crystal, but I'm also here to kill you guys, okay? None of this is gonna happen, okay? Max will no longer be corrupted because of your timeline fugitives. What are you gonna do? This. What is taking him for that long? You know what? I think we should do something. Should we go? Fine, you wait here. Right? Red! 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 What took you so? Oh my God. Red! Oh my God, Red! What happened? Oh no. Oh, he's hurt. Well. Wait, who are you? I'm the hitman, okay? And I'm here to destroy you guys. Wait, what? What are you doing here? I'm here to kill you guys, once and for all. Will you just leave us alone, okay? I mean, we have less time, and you just here ruining it. Well, I wouldn't rest, okay? You guys are forbidden in this timeline. You guys know better. And once we're done with you, you will be dead. Not for long. Wait, what? I told you we should have Crystal. He'll do something about this. I'm sorry, okay. Okay, fine. You know what? We're gonna go to Max's castle just to find him. Okay. Ugh, what happened? Red, come on, come over here. Wait, why? Wait, who are these guys? They're the hunters that Max sent to kill us. Okay. Well, don't worry. Bird. No. Guys, I think we should be red. No, red. You're not gonna do anything. What are you doing this for? Okay, I was always like this. Okay, I used to be a human, but now I got mutated thanks to Max. And the only way I'll get to that is if I kill you. There's another way, man. Just come with us. You're wrong. You know what? Fine. I'll end you this way. Okay. Need to get to my bros. Oh my God! We should do something. Oh no! It's his fight. I'm back, guys. Oh my God, Red, you're alive. Yes, it's okay, guys. It's okay. I'm okay. Okay. I think we have a lot to learn about this world. What do you mean? Max has a dark secret, and I think we're all gonna find out. All right, lad. We should all start going. On your way. We're gonna go find Crystal. That's actually a good name. We should tell him when we get there. Yeah, we should.